There are 15 species of newts across North America and Eurasia. They can grow to 3 to 4 inches long, and they look a little bit between a cross of a frog and a lizard. They have 4 legs and 4 toes on each leg, and they can live up to 10 years. Welcome back! In today's art class, we're going to draw and learn about newts. Go ahead and grab a pen or marker, a piece of paper, and some colors. All right, let's draw.
All right, let's start with the head. So we're going to come down here to the bottom of your paper. We're going to draw a little circle for an eye. The body is going to come up back this way. So with the eye, you can draw in the inside. So they have cool eyes. You can either do a slit down the center or across the middle. Center. Then you want to draw a little eyelid. And then we're going to come over here. We're going to kind of draw like a U shape. A little bit elongated. The eyes back there.
Newts are carnivores. They eat worms, snails, and tadpoles, and their habitat, or where they live, you can find them in marshes, ponds, gardens, and parks that have a body of water.
Body. Draw 2 lines. This one you're going to stop. We'll add an arm. And 4 toes. And finish the body line. Then we'll draw the second leg back here. Same thing. 4 toes. Now the tail is going to be an extended curvy line back to about here.
Did you know that newts can regenerate or regrow their body parts, such as their tails and their legs? They can even regrow parts of their body organs like their eyes and their spinal cords.
The back legs, they're just going to look like they're there. Toe. Now let's draw in the mouth. 2 little nostrils. And then we're going to add some designs.
Newts can survive on land and in the water. They breathe underwater by absorbing the oxygen through their skin, and their rudder-like tails make them excellent swimmers. Great job following directions. Now it's time to color. Go ahead and enjoy the music and a few more fun facts while you color your artwork. Newts are amphibians. They're a type of salamander. However, not all salamanders are newts. The clear distinction, or the primary distinction, is that the newts emerge from the water and the salamanders do not. Most species of newts have a poison on their skin to help protect them from their predators. Some of their predators include ducks, grass snakes, toads, and herons. Newts have beautiful patterns and they come in a variety of colors. Some of those colors include blacks, white, gray, orange, and some browns, and sometimes a little bit of an olive green. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to check out last week's art class. Hit that subscribe button for new art classes and tag Fitz Art Clips when you upload a picture of your artwork. Can't wait to see what you create. See you next time.